this fermentation process is where the maestro signature is right there.
Yeah.
It's where you get all these flavors and aromas that we really want to express on Teremana, which is the citrusy, it is the aromas of the sweet of agave, and it's also the smoothness also in a way. So this is like a part of the expressions that we're trying to give to the people all around the globe.
Yes. These are an integral part, right? Like being able to concentrate those flavors.
This is seriously the cherry on the top.
Yeah.
We use something very unique. It's 100% copper. It's handmade and it's hand hammered.
I mean, it's beautiful,
Yes, yes. And inside, we have our own design. It's a secret recipe.
Sure.
Yes. But why this is so important, why copper? I like to say to people that imagine chefs. Why chefs like to use a copper pan versus another stainless steel pan? Because you can control better the temperature. We cook for 36 hours at 72 degrees, which actually is very slow.
Slow distillation,
And what it does, the copper also removes those impurities that sometimes the stainless steel cannot. So this is something very unique.
Yeah, so that very slow distillation, as you say, copper's incredible for being able to kind of round out flavors, convert. It's a magical material for things. But what are you looking for when you do that slow distillation? What flavors? Again, you talked about it in the field, into the ovens, into the fermentation. Again, what are you trying to concentrate when it comes to on this side?
So to call it tequila, it has to be distilled twice.
Yeah.
The first one is ordinario.
Yeah.
You remove the first impurities there, and then the second one you call it tequila, no? By separate the heads, the hearts, and the tails.
Yeah.
We keep it el corazón, no? The hearts.
This is so exciting for me because I've never tasted tequila off the still. This is where we're concentrating all of those wonderful flavors into the heart of the spirit. All those things that we saw from the care in the agave field, the transformation in the brick ovens, and this concentration through copper distillation to be able to really refine and hone in on all those flavors.
Then we're trying to achieve, when you smell the tequila, is the aromas of sweet cooked agave, almost when we were at the brick oven, right?
Yeah.
But then when you tasted it, you want to have some really nice acidity, but also it's going to be a punch of flavors, like lemon, like pineapple. Woo!
I mean, it's wonderful, right? I mean, it's oily, it's rich, it sticks to your palate in an incredible way. I'm so honored to be able to taste like this. It's incredible.
It's just like explosion of flavors.
Yeah.
And this is a signature that we're trying to achieve thanks to our master distiller, that he takes the time to do things the right way.
It's very exciting.